In one of our previous video, we saw that how the anchor tag behaves with different types of file format. We can slightly modify that behavior with the download attribute. So let me show you that in this video. So I'm gonna write the anchor tag, and in the href, if I give a path of an image which is pic1.png, and in between the opening and closing anchor tag, let me write the hypertext which would be view picture. If I save the file, then in the output, if I click on this view picture link, it will open the picture in a new page. Where the picture is available, you can see the picture, and where the picture is unavailable, you can see a black background. Basically, it is opening the picture in a full page. So let's say I want, if I click on this link, the browser should not display the image in a new page, but I want that the browser should download the picture. So how we will do that? For that, we can use the download attribute available in HTML. So I'm gonna write download. Let's not give a value for this moment and save the file. If I click on this view picture link, you can see the pic1.png file got downloaded by the browser. So this is how we can modify the behavior of the anchor tag while working with different types of file format. Now we can give some values in this download attribute, like let's say in our server the picture's name is pic1, but if we want that when our users download this picture in his device, this picture should have another name like beauty, then we can write the name here. So whatever we will write in this place, that would be the name when the user will download this file in his computer. So let me show you that, but the extension would be same. The file extension would be .png. If it was a video file, then it would be .mp4. So Ctrl S save. Now if I click on this link, you can see the image has name beauty.png. So when the user will download this file in his computer, the image name would be beauty.png. But in our server, the name is pic1.png. Let me give you another example. Let me write the break tag, and this time in the anchor tag, I'm gonna put the hyper reference of a video which is nature.mp4, and the hypertext would be view video. Save the file. If I click on this video, it will open the video in a new page. So where the video is not available, you can see a black background because browser is opening the video in a full page. Let me go back, and if I give the download attribute here, let's not give any value and save the file. If I click on this view video link, you can see the video got downloaded. The name of the video is nature.mp4. But let's say when the user downloads the video in his computer, the name should be something else. So that we can set here. So if we write a text here like nice video, save the file. Now if I click on this link, this video will be saved with the name nice video, but the extension would be .mp4. So let me click on this link. You can see the video got downloaded with the name nice video, and the extension is .mp4. So it will respect the extension and change the name. So I showed this download attribute to you because sometimes it can be useful.